Hey guys, today I'm going to do an updated video on how to clean your saddle. What you're going to need is some sort of rack to hold your saddle while you're cleaning it. You're also going to either need some sort of leather cleaner or a bowl of lukewarm water with something like Dawn dish soap and a rag. For conditioners, there's lots of different types to choose from. I used to use the Lexol version of the conditioner, but now I use a lot of FX products. Use this. And then the one I use a lot is this. And you're also going to need a damp sponge. Your first step to do is to go ahead and remove the stirrups.
Erasing all your memories, darling, they won't go so easy.
And to wash your stirrups, you're going to either put them in something like the dishwasher or maybe just wash them in the sink. You're going to start off with your water and make sure to wring out the rag really well because you don't want you're getting your saddle too wet, and just going to go over the entire saddle.
So when you come knocking on the door, begging me for just a little more, you know you cannot say that.
Make sure you go ahead and get the underside of the saddle too.
Ice can burn as much as flames do. Your heart froze colder than ice in time.
Same thing with the stirrup leathers.
Realize the sound of silence is all that you.
Once the saddle's dry, I'm going to use my FX leather balsam and go over the entire saddle again.
Falling like snow. Tears are falling like snow.
Once your saddle, stirrup leathers, and stirrups are clean, you can go ahead and put them back on.
Darling, they won't go so easily. Your heart froze colder than ice in time.